chicks to go to the tee and ask them for a mustache ride. Yeah, I swear to you. Man, I can't see. You should have fucking seen these girls, dude. We're like, no, come up and ask them for a mustache ride. Don't worry about it. Just ask them.
Look at him just circling.
Yeah, ready? Yeah, ready? Yeah, ready? Someone like circling my mouth.
I don't know. It's the little white one.
Whoa, whoa. Back. That means like you can't see me. Come on, like we're sneaky little fucks. Where's Johnny running?
Robbie, I got you on camera.
Oh my god, I Robbie said you grab.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, now it's nice as fuck out here.
I really want to see this.
If you grab one, do not let go of it.
Do not let go of it.
It can be our team pet, so fucking bear it.
Let it go in T's room.
Whoa, calm down, Bert.
Oh, get the pigeon.
Alright, grab him, Robbie.
Grab the pigeon. Just jump on the pigeon.
Beat up. Grab him when he comes in, babe.
I don't want to grab him.
Nowhere.
Dude, I got that shit on tape.
Come on, stop coming from fucking side.